In the last class, I explained graphs of quadratic expressions. Now, problems related to quadratic expressions. See, example 1. All of you see the class notes while I am reading the problem. The greatest negative integer satisfying the two equations. X squared plus 4x minus 77 less than 0 and x squared greater than 4. So required is the largest negative integer which satisfies in both equations will be written. So first clearly factors of this one 11 sevens. So x plus 11 into x minus 7. Therefore, clearly x belongs to minus 11 comma 7. X squared greater than 4 means x squared minus 4 greater than 0 means x plus 2 into x minus 2 greater than 0. Then x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union 2 comma infinity. Now common values. So all of you know working rule of finding intersection of two or more than two sets. Already you have seen this one in first functions and calculus. So minus 11, 7. From this between minus 11 and 7. Minus 2. So position of 2. Minus 2, position of 2. So less than minus 2, greater than plus 2. Therefore required values minus infinity comma minus 11 union 7 comma infinity common values. Now required is greatest negative integer. So minus 11 exclude here exclude minus 11 excluded. So therefore greatest negative integer is minus 10. Minus 2. Oh, sorry. Common values 2 to 7. Intersection of these values. So, in the very common number. Therefore, x belongs to minus 11 comma minus 2 union 2 comma 7. So, largest negative integer means that one is less than minus 2. So minus 2 ki left side to nearest integer amount minus 3. Okay. Similarly, what is the least positive integer? Suppose answer 3. What is largest positive integer? 6. What is least negative integer? Minus 10. Because the number of positive integral solutions, number of negative integral solutions. So number of positive integral solutions 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 solutions. So sum of the positive integral solutions, sum of the negative integral solutions. So different ways are required. Okay. Second one, if x less than 5, then the sign of the quadratic expression 2x plus 7 minus 5x squared. Okay. So for x less than 5, sign of this one, that means positive or negative. So by drawing graph of this one, we can decide sign for what values of x, we can decide the values of x for which that one is positive or that one is negative, that one is 0, etc. Okay. First, coefficient of x square is negative means downwards parallel. But there are three cases again. Graph intersect x-axis in 2 points, touches x-axis and complete below x-axis. That one depends on the value of delta. Delta equal to b squared minus 4ac minus of minus 2 plus 4, 7, 5. Therefore greater than 0. Therefore graph cuts x-axis in 2 different points. So this one means graph is negative when x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha union beta comma infinity, because at these positions graph below x-axis, between alpha and beta, graph above x-axis means between alpha and beta, that value is positive. Now we need the value roots. So I am finding roots. Multiply with minus on both sides. 5x squared minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore factors 35. So minus 7x plus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. So I am taking x 5x minus 7 by taking 1 common, 5x minus 7. Therefore x plus 1 into 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore roots are minus 1 comma 7 by 5. So between from minus infinity to minus 1 negative, from minus 1 to 7 by 5 positive, from 7 by 5 to infinity again negative. So position of 5 and a cross. 7 by 5 is 2 point something. Therefore position of 5 1 point something 5. So for less than 5, all cases possible, positive, negative, so our options batti untundi. So from minus infinity to minus 1 negative, from minus 1 to 7 by 5 positive, from 7 by 5 to 5 again negative. Ani options batti decide chestam. Okay. Third one, if x is real and 5x squared plus 2x plus 9 greater than 3x squared plus 10x plus 7, then x belongs to. So indirectly solve the equation. Okay, so we have to find the values of x which are satisfying this given equation. Send all to left side. 2x squared minus 8x plus 2 equal to 0. Cancel with the 2. X squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. No rational factors. So roots minus 3 plus or minus 2 term b squared minus 4 is 8 by 2b. 4 plus or minus 12 can be expressed as 2 root 3. 2 cancel. 2 plus or minus 2 3. Therefore this one is strictly greater than 0. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity comma small value, means 2 minus root 3 union 2 plus root 3 comma infinity. Okay. Say fourth one, the solution set of 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x minus 4 less than 0. Check solution of an equation required. So it already known some quadratic law. So first I am assuming 3 power x equal to t. Then t plus 3 power 1 minus x means 3 power 1 by 3 power x means t minus 4 less than 0. Get quadratic inequation in the variable t squared minus 4p plus 3 less than 0. Factors, so clearly t minus 1 into t minus 3 less than 0. Therefore t lies between 1 and 3. But the value of t is 3 power x. 3 power x lies between 1 and 3. 1 is nothing but 3 power 0. So 3 power 0 less than 3 power x less than 3 power 1. 3 power x is increasing function. So increasing function appudu meeku telusu kada first maximum x less than y implies and double implies f of x x less than f of y. Same inequality or decreasing opposite inequality. Here function is 3 power x. 3 power x is increasing function, therefore 0 less than x less than 1. Therefore x belongs to open interval of 0, 1. Next, fifth model important. If the equation ax squared plus 2bx minus 3c equal to 0 has non-real roots and 3c by 4 less than a plus b, then c is always indirectly range of c is required. So more important, first of all, given that this one has no real roots means imaginary roots means graph of this one complete to above x-axis or complete to below x-axis. Up. So if a is positive, this one. If a is negative, this one. And then ఒక్క వాల్యూకి పాజిటివ్ అని తెలిసింది అనుకోండి. For all x belongs to R, that one is always positive. If we know that just for one value this one is always suppose negative, then we can decide that one is always negative for all x belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. అది మనం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. ఈ గ్రాఫ్ వస్తుందా, ఈ గ్రాఫ్ వస్తుందా డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. అది ఎలాగంటే దీన్ని చూడాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు 3c by 4 less than a plus b implies 3c less than 4a plus 4b. మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఈ రెండు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. ఈ రెండు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంటే x trial and error, for what value of x this one satisfied చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. x ప్లేస్ లో ఏ నంబర్ తీసుకుంటే ఇది వస్తుందో చెక్ చేసుకుంటే క్లియర్లీ x equal to 2 కి వస్తుంది చూడండి. సో send this one to left side, 4a plus 4b minus 3c greater than 0. So and the remotability, if this is f of x, this is f of 2. Okay. And then at f of 2 positive means 2 దగ్గర graph above x axis అండి. 2 అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. 2 దగ్గర graph above x axis. ఒక్క వాల్యూకి పాజిటివ్ అని తెలిసిందంటే for all x belongs to R, that one is positive. అంటే ఈ గ్రాఫ్ రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. Now required is c is sin of c అంటే sin of c అంటే మన x ప్లేస్ లో ఏ నంబర్ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ c వస్తుందో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. క్లియర్లీ 0. సో ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో 0 ఉంటుంది. f of 2 పాజిటివ్ అంటే 0 దగ్గర కూడా పాజిటివ్, కంప్లీట్ పాజిటివ్. అంటే f of 0 is also positive. f of 0 అంటే minus 3c positive. Therefore c less than 0. Therefore c belongs to minus infinity comma 0. And c is always an equal. Options to positive, negative అలా ఉంటుంది. Therefore c is always negative. Sixth one, the set of values of x for which the inequality ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక 3-4 problems advanced problems. See, the values of x which are satisfying the inequality step x whole squared minus 5 into step x plus 6 less than or equal to 0. So all of you know meaning of step x. ఒకవేళ మర్చిపోయింటే ఒకసారి ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫంక్షన్స్ తీసి step x and properties of step x and graph of step x ఒకసారి చూడండి. So this is a quadratic inequation in the variable step x. By ordinary method, first clearly the factors are step x minus 2 into step x minus 3. Okay. Less than or equal to 0. Therefore, step x belongs to open interval of 2 comma 3. Step x is always integer. So between in this closed interval of 2 comma 3, integers are only 2. They are step x equal to 2 and step x equal to 3. Step x equal to 2 when x lies between 1 and 2. Sorry, 2 and 2. Left side closed, right side open interval. Step 2 is 2, step 2.12 and so on. Step 2.999 is also 2. Step x equal to 3 is possible when x lies between 3 and 4, including 3, excluding 4. Because step 3, step 3.13, step 3.993, but step 4 is not equal to 3. So by joining these two, x belongs to 2 comma 4 and 2 side closed, open, 4 side open. Next similar unique question, 7th one. If log x base square whole square plus log x base square less than 2, then x belongs to dash. Okay. Quadratic in the variable log x base square. Log x base square plus log x base square minus 2 less than 0. So factors. Sum is product is minus 2, sum is plus 1 means 2 minus 1 plus 2 log x base square minus log x base square minus 2 less than 0. So by taking log x base square, get log x base square plus 2 by taking minus 1. Therefore, factors. Log x base square minus 1 into log x base square plus 2 less than 0. Therefore, log x base square lies between minus 2 and 1. Again, log x is a decreasing function when base greater than 1. Here base 5 greater than 1. So the increasing function, therefore 5 power minus 2. One of the properties from the definition of logarithm. Log n to the base a equal to x, then this n equal to a power x. Okay. Okay, less than if a is greater than 1, for increasing function same inequality. Less than or greater than or greater than. Suppose a lies between 0 and 1, that one is decreasing function. In that case, less than implies greater than implies less than. So base 5 greater than 1, so increasing function 5 power minus 2. 1 by 25 less than 5 power 1, 5. So x belongs to open interval of 1 by 25 comma 5. Thus, logarithm, so inequations contain step x, fractional part of x, trigonometric cosine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant part, and logarithmic function. Express. Example 8. If x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 5 less than 0, then x belongs to dash. This one belongs to Vedic curve method. Already first year functions were given already. So draw the real line with ends minus infinity plus infinity. Mark the values of x in increasing order, not given order, increasing order. values of x1, 2, -5, then increasing order -5, 1, 2. Put plus sign on the right side of last value. Take alternative signs. Less than 0 means negative means minus sign. So required is the union of intervals contain minus signs. Minus sign lies between -infinity comma -5 and 1 comma 2. Right. So required. Graph of this one like this. So between 2 and infinity, positive means graph above x-axis. So it was graph. Next, ninth one. If x is real and x minus 1 by 4x plus 5 less than x minus 3 by 4x minus 3, then x belongs to. So solve the equation. Important. ఎక్కువ మంది చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తారు. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేసి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ వరకు వస్తే చేస్తారు. అలా చేస్తే అది రావచ్చు రాకపోవచ్చు ఆన్సర్. దట్ వన్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ది సైన్స్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్స్. సో మీకు ఎక్కడైనా f of x by g of x less than h of x ఉంటే solution of that one is equivalent to solution of f of x by g of x minus h of x less than 0. Left side బట్టి వచ్చి less than 0 apply చేయండి. Okay. So these two are identical. Don't cross multiply. మనకి ఈ డినామినేటర్ సైన్స్ తెలియనప్పుడు క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయకూడదు. ఒకవేళ ఆల్వేస్ పాజిటివ్ అని తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, దెన్ వీ కెన్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై. సో సెట్ దిస్ వన్ టు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. x minus 1 by 4x plus 5 minus of x minus 3 by 4x minus 3 less than 0. So LCM 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 3, product of these two. 4x squared minus 4x squared. Cancel. X terms. Right. Minus 3x minus 4x. Minus 7x minus 1 into minus 3. Plus 3. Next. Minus of 4x minus 12x plus 5x minus 7x minus 15. So minus 7x is also cancelled. Therefore 3 plus 15, 18 by 4x plus 5 into 4x minus 3 less than 0. So ratio is negative means they have opposite signs. Clearly numerator is always positive, therefore denominator is less than 0. Denominator less than 0 means x belongs to open interval of minus 5 by 4 comma 3 by 4. Okay. Next, 10th example, similar problem. The values of x which are satisfying two equations, they are 5x plus 2 less than 3x plus 8 and x plus 2 by x minus 1 less than 4. So clear. Send to left side 2x less than 6. X less than 3. So first one implies x belongs to minus infinity comma 3. Second, please don't cross multiply. X plus 2 by x minus 1 minus 4 less than 0. So LCM x minus 1, x minus 4x2 minus 3x 2 plus 4 plus 6 less than 0. So ratio negative means first I multiply with minus 1 on both sides, I divide it to minus 2. X minus 2 by x minus 1, sign will be changed greater than 0. Ratio positive means product is also positive. X minus 1 into x minus 2 greater than 0. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma infinity. Now require common values of these two. So 1, 2, 3. For this less than 3. For this less than 1 or greater than 2. So common values minus infinity comma 1 union 3 to infinity. Minus infinity comma 1 union 2 comma infinity. Now common values between 2 and 3. Sorry. On right hand side the common values are between 2 and 3. Okay. See next level 12. If 4x square plus kx plus 3 greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, then the range of k. So clear, coefficient of x square is positive, so upwards parabola, and ax square plus bx plus c is always positive. So graph of the equal is complete above x axis. So for this one has no real roots. No real roots means delta less than 0. So by using delta less than 0, we can find the range of k. So delta means b square minus 4ac means k square minus 48 less than 0. So factors k plus root 48 into k minus root 48 less than 0. Therefore, k belongs to open interval of minus root 48 comma plus root 48. Okay. Root 48 is nothing but 4 root. So these are directly simple problems related to quadratic expression and quadratic inequations, and problems related to graphs of quadratic expression. Next concept, minimum maximum values of graph of ax square plus bx plus c. A is positive, upwards parabola. A is negative, downwards parabola. So from this graph, this one has minimum value at this point. Maximum value is infinity. Graph is a finite graph. So maximum value is infinity. Okay. So this one has maximum value at this point. Minimum value is minus infinity. So coefficient of x square. I am finding minimum maximum values of this expression. First case 1, a greater than 0. Working rule of finding second derivative test. Second derivative test for finding minimum maximum values of f of x. Let f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Second derivative test. So pre-final loads are the 2 marks condition. Working rule. Step 1. F dash x equal to 0 implies 2ax plus b equal to 0 implies x equal to minus b by 2a. Therefore, at x equal to minus b by 2a, that one has the minimum value or maximum value. మినిమం వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఉంటుందా కనుక్కోవాలంటే f double dash x find out. Clearly this is f dash x. From this f double dash x is 2a. We are under the domain a greater than 0. When a is positive, 2a is also positive. F double dash x positive means that one has a minimum value. Okay now? So a is positive, upwards parabola, that one has minimum value at x equal to minus 3 by 2a. What is that minimum value? So by substitute this value in this expression, get minimum value. So put x equal to minus 3 by 2a. A into minus 3 by 2a whole square plus b into minus 3 by 2a plus c. So by simplifying, get 4ac minus b square by 4a. So now result is, if coefficient of x square is positive, that one has minimum value at x equal to minus 3 by 2a. Formula for that minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Therefore range of that expression is 4ac minus b square by 4a comma infinity, because maximum value infinity. Same, coefficient of x square is negative. That one has a maximum value at x equal to minus b by 2a. That maximum value formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. Therefore range of this one is minus infinity comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. So problems are based on this one. A value will be like so. At what value that one has either minimum or maximum value, formula minus 3 by 2a. Find the minimum or maximum value of that expression, or find the range of ax square in the combination of ax square plus bx plus c, etc. Now see problems related to this concept. 12th example, minimum value of 2x square plus x minus 1. Clear? Minimum value or maximum value. So this coefficient of x square is positive. That one has a minimum value. So formula for that 4ac minus b square by 4a. A value 2, c value 1, b value plus 1. By substitute get required. Next, maximum value of 1 by 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So first is in the form of 1 by f of x. Maximum value of 1 by f of x equal is the same as 1 by minimum value of f of x. Okay. Similarly, minimum value of 1 by f of x is 1 by maximum value of f of x. Therefore, maximum value of 1 by this one equal to maximum value of 1 by this one equal to 1 by minimum of 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Again formula. By using formula 4ac minus b square by 4a get required. The range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 10. Same all already first is functional solution. Quadratic by quadratic to x square x terms same only. Unnappudu working. Given function is in the form of quadratic by quadratic. In both x square x terms are same. Then working rule of finding range, express numerator in terms of denominator. So first write x square plus x plus 10. So one దగ్గర ఉంది కాబట్టి minus 9 రాసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. Okay. Now split this one by this one is 1 minus 9 by x square plus x plus 10. Okay. 1 minus 9 by This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So x square coefficient to positive. Now I am writing range of this one. Range of that one formula. 4ac minimum value formula. 4ac minus b square by 4a comma infinity. Okay. 1 minus 9 by so 4ac means 40 minus 1 39 by 4a means this is a 4 comma infinity. Okay. So 1 minus 9 by 39 by 4. So 36 by 39. 9 by infinity value ఏమవుతుందంటే 0. రెండు ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతాయి కదా రెసిప్రోకల్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఈ ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ అవుతుంది, సెకండ్ ఫస్ట్ అవుతుంది. Infinity side open, this side closed. Now 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 and 1 minus 36 by 39. So 3 by 39. Mala interchange అవుతుంది కదా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు స్మాల్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ సెకండ్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ గా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 36 by 39 is 3 by 39. So that 36 by 39 closed at 1 minus 0. This is open interval. Open. Now this is range of that. Okay. So intervals have to చూసుకోవాలి. ఈ రెసిప్రోకల్స్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతాయి, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ప్రతిసారి ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వల్, ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వల్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఇంటర్వల్ అది కంటిన్యూ అవ్వాలి లాస్ట్ వరకు. లెఫ్ట్ క్లోజ్డ్ రైట్ ఓపెన్ ఇంటర్వల్. So the each options so ఇవే నంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇంటర్వల్స్ చేంజ్ చేసేసి. So remember working rule for finding the range of quadratic by quadratic with condition x square x terms are same in both numerator and denominator. Next, working rule of finding range of the function, range of form of the function quadratic by quadratic, linear by quadratic, quadratic by linear. This is first functions already explained. I am explaining through one example. Find the range of x square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3. Range of quadratic by quadratic. General case. ఈ sum కూడా ఇలా చేయొచ్చు, బట్ ఇలా ఇది ఈజీ మెథడ్. So quadratic by quadratic. Working rule. Let y equal to. So I0 4 marks की guarantee problem. Object లో మెయిన్స్ ఉంటుంది, అడ్వాన్స్ లో కూడా ఉంటాయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. సో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, ఫస్ట్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అండ్ send it to left side. Get quadratic in the variable x. So yx squared minus x squared. Y minus 1 into x squared. 2xy minus 14x. 2y minus 14. Next, 3y minus 9 equal to 0. This is quadratic in the variable x. Clearly x belongs to R. For this delta, మనకి ఇది ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది. So for this delta less than 0, and ఇది ఎప్పుడు 0 అవుతుంది. Therefore x belongs to R. So x is real and quadratic in the variable x condition delta greater than or equal to 0. Roots are real condition delta greater than or equal to 0. So by using this one, you need to 2 common into 2 into y minus 7. So b square means 4 into y minus 7 whole square minus 4 y minus 1 into 3y minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Divide into 4. Get quadratic in the variable y. That is y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. Factors of this one, y plus 5 into y minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Therefore, y belongs to closed interval of minus 5 comma 4. So, minimum value minus 5, maximum value plus 4. So, quadratic by quadratic and x square x terms are same in both numerator and denominator, then working. Quadratic by quadratic, any case, quadratic by quadratic or quadratic by linear or linear by quadratic, then working rule. ఇంకో 2 మోడల్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇందులో. ఒకటి షార్ట్ కట్, అది ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ లో వస్తుంది. See, next problem, next is similar problem. Find the range of x plus 2y, 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Same. Linear by quadratic. And the factors of there, 12 delta. Clearly delta less than 0. So, delta less than 0. Delta less than 0 and this is always positive for all x belongs to Rn. Okay, no? And x belongs to R what also. So working, let y equal cross multiplication 2y x square 3xy minus x. So 3y minus 1 into x plus 6y minus 2 equal to 0. Since x belongs to R, therefore delta greater than or equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac. Get quadratic in the variable, quadratic equation in the variable y. That is 39y square minus 10y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Clearly 33. Get factors. Then minus 13y plus 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So we can take 13y, 3y minus 1 by taking plus 1. Therefore factors 13y plus 1 into 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So y belongs to closed interval of minus 1 by 13 comma 1 by 3. So this is minimum value, that is maximum. So problems based on this IP and objective. What is the range of the function? What is minimum value? What is maximum value? What are the extreme values? What are the limits? I will show that this one lies between minus 1 by 13 and 1 by 3. Like that. Next, two shortcuts I have changed. One is range of ax square plus bx plus c by ax square minus bx plus c. Quadratic by quadratic, x square constant terms are same, but x terms numerically equal but opposite in signs in numerator and denominator. If first functions also, not only first functions, maximum minimum, last lesson, maximum minimum also functions also. So minimum maximum values, f of minus root of c by a, f of root of c by a. So the minimum or the maximum, that one depends on the values signs of b. Final plus and the minus sum को दिला उसने. Final minus and the plus से दिले दिले चीज़. Finally, these two are minimum and maximum values. Okay. So range of see example. Range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. So clearly we can apply this formula. C by E is 1. So minimum value f of minus 1, maximum value f of 1. When x is 1, minus 1, when x is minus 1, 1 by 3 vastunda. When x is 1, 3. So 1 by 3 comma 3. Okay. So ఇది IT లో ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయకూడదు. సేమ్ సమ్ IT లో ఉంది మీకు 4 మార్క్స్ కి. సేమ్ మళ్ళీ ఇలాగే చేయాలి. y equal to x. Next shortcut range of linear function by linear function ax plus b by cx plus d. Range of form of the function ax plus b by cx plus d is r minus of a by c, means coefficient of x by coefficient of x by r. See the proof of this one. Let y equal to ax plus b by cx plus d by cross multiplication ycx plus yd equal to ax plus b. So we have to find the value of x from this. Send this one to left side by taking x yc minus 1 equal to b minus yd. Therefore from this x equal to yc minus b. So b minus yd by yc minus b. Okay. Now required is range of this one means range of y, because I am assuming this is equal to y. Range of function is nothing but the values of y. So this is defined when denominator is not equal to 0. So yc minus a not equal to 0 implies y is not equal to a by c. That means y is equal to any real value except to a by c. So y is nothing but range. Thus range of that function is the set of real numbers minus a by c. So remember this one as r minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x. So we can apply this formula to any function which is in the form of linear function by linear function in the place of x. The x place lo వేరే ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఉన్నా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాకపోతే కండిషన్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ వన్ ఆర్ అవ్వాలి. బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటంటే tan x and cot x. సో మీకు ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్ లో tan x and cot x ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. దెన్ ఆల్సో we can apply the range of that one is r minus of a by c. ఎందుకంటే range of tan x is r, range of cot x is also r. ఇక్కడ sin కానీ cos secant cosecant ఉంటే అప్లై చేయకూడదు. సో range of a tan x plus b by c tan x plus d is also r minus a by c. So అలా x ప్లేస్ లో వేరే ఫంక్షన్ లో అప్లై చేయాలంటే x ప్లేస్ లో ఉన్న ఫంక్షన్ రేంజ్ r అవ్వాలి. ఓకే. సో బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ tan x and cot x, because ranges of tan x and cot x are r. Graph of tan x ఇలా వస్తుంది కదా. See examples related to this shortcut. Range of 2x plus 3 by 5x plus 7. So clear. R minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x. Okay. Next. Range of x squared minus 3x plus 2 by 2x squared plus x minus 3. So quadratic by quadratic చూడగానే మీకు 3 మెథడ్స్ అయిపోయాయి మొత్తం. quadratic by quadratic ఫస్ట్ చెప్పుకునే మనకి రెండిట్లో x స్క్వేర్ x టర్మ్స్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయా లేదా, లేవు అంటే ఆ మోడల్ కాదు. సెకండ్ చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా ఈక్వల్ టు y అనుకొని చేయటం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, అది లాస్ట్ కేస్ లాస్ట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా. థర్డ్ ఏమని చెప్తుంది ఫార్ములా. In numerator denominator quadratic x square constant terms same, but x terms are numerically equal but opposite in sign undali. ఆ కేసు కూడా కాదు. థర్డ్ ఏం థింక్ చేయాలంటే చెప్పబోయేది థర్డ్ అన్నమాట. Think about that one. Is there any common factor in numerator and denominator? అది థింక్ చేయండి. రెండింటిలో ఏదైనా కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఉంటుందేమో థింక్ చేయండి. ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వస్తాయి. x minus 1 into x minus 2. దీనికి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. Therefore, x common is 2x plus 3 minus 1. Therefore, factors x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Now, x minus 1 cancel. So, given quadratic by quadratic becomes linear by linear. We know that range of this one is r minus of a by c. And 1 by 2. Okay, na? In the work idea vastundi. But this is not answer. It is compulsory one of the options untundi. Okay, na? R minus of 1 by 2. Inko number కూడా తీసేయాలి. ఏంటి? యాక్చువల్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇది కాదు కదా. మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫంక్షన్స్ లో చూడండి. రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ x squared minus 4 by x minus 2 అంటే ఏం చేసాము? ఫస్ట్ x minus 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే x plus 2 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మరి రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్ అవుతుంది కదా. ఆల్వేస్ పాసిబుల్ కదా. కానీ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? రేంజ్ r minus f of 2 రాస్తాం చూడండి. r minus of f of 2. Because this is actual function. This is not defined when x equal to 2. So in domain contain r minus 2, then range contains r minus of f of 2. Okay? Therefore, domain లో 2 లేదంటే range f of 2 ఉండదు. Same అలాగే this is actual function. మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేయక ముందు ఉంది కదా ఆల్రెడీ. This is not defined when x equal to 1. So మనం దీంతో పాటు f of 1 కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. Of course, f of minus 3 by 2 కూడా not defined. That's value define అవ్వదు కదా. r minus of 1 by 2 comma 1 ఎక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం? క్యాన్సిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చిన x plus 2 లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. అంటే 4. సేమ్ ఆఫ్టర్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ ఫంక్షన్ x minus 2 by 2x plus 3 కదా. f of 1 అంటే 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 5. Okay? Plus range of that function is r minus of 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 5. So this is one of the models, quadratic by quadratic and one common factor. First the common factor cancel is linear by linear form r minus of a by c. After that one more we have to subtract, that is f of another linear function. So ఈ 4 cases పక్కన రాసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోండి మామూలుగా. Equal to y cross multiplication quadratic in the variable x by applying delta greater than or equal to 0. they can apply చేసుకోవచ్చు. a last preference ఇవ్వండి. See, next one, quadratic identity. Identity. First of all, identity ante this is polynomial equation. Number of roots of this one is n. Number of roots of polynomial equation is equal to degree of the equation. Clearly, degree of this equation is n. Therefore, number of roots is n. Okay. But if number of roots of any polynomial equation is greater than degree of the equation, that one is called identity. That one is called identity. కాబట్టి ఇందులో ఒకే డెఫినేషన్ ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది. So this is polynomial equation when this is polynomial equation of second degree, nth degree n if coefficient of highest power not equal to 0. ఇది కూడా అంతే కదా. ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. మీకు quadratic equation definition. This is quadratic in the variable x when a is not equal to 0. అది ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, అది కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. సో quadratic identity అంటే degree of this one is 2, but if number of roots of this one is greater than 2. Greater than 2 అంటే 3, 4, 5, 6 అలా ఇంకా ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఇంకా. అంటే ఐడెంటిటీ అంటే number of roots 3 or 4 or 5 number of roots degree 2, number of roots 3 అంటే 3 అంటే ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉన్నట్టే మనకి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా 4, 5, 6 and so on. So degree of number of roots of quadratic equation is more than 2. That one is called quadratic identity. First of all, definition. Next, condition. Ax square plus bx plus c is identity if and only if a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. Then only possible. Think change. ఇదేమో degree 2 అంటే 2 roots ఉండాలి. మరి infinite number of roots అన్నామంటే infinite number of roots and all real values or roots of this one is possible only when a equal to b equal to c equal to 0 అయినప్పుడు possible అవుతుంది చూడండి. ఎందుకంటే 0 into any value 0 plus 0 into any value 0 plus 0 equal to 0 అవుతుందా లేదా అలాగే. సో ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాం చూడండి. I am assuming first of all this one is quadratic identity means that one has more than 2 roots. I am assuming alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this quadratic equation. Means these three values satisfies that one. So a alpha squared plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. A beta squared plus b beta plus c equal to 0. A gamma squared plus b gamma plus c equal to 0. By subtract second one minus first one. A into beta squared minus alpha squared plus b into beta minus alpha equal to 0. By cancel with beta minus alpha, a into beta plus alpha plus b equal to 0. Third one minus second one. A into gamma squared minus beta squared plus b into gamma minus beta. Okay, by cancel with gamma minus beta, a into gamma plus beta plus b equal to 0. And this one minus that one. By taking a beta cancel, gamma minus alpha equal to 0. Alpha, beta, gamma are different roots. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 0. When a is 0, b is also 0. When a, b both are 0, then c is also 0. That's a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. So, first two things, definition. Not only for quadratic identity, cubic identity, fourth degree identity, fifth degree polynomial identity. If number of roots of the given polynomial equation is greater than degree of that equation, that one is called identity. Any polynomial is identity if and only if each coefficient equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, etc. So we are in the lesson quadratic equations. Therefore, ax squared plus bx plus c is quadratic identity, or this one has more than 2 roots if and only if each coefficient to 0 means a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. See one example related to this one. If lambda squared minus 5 lambda plus 6 into x squared plus lambda squared minus 3 lambda plus 2 into x plus lambda squared minus 4 equal to 0 is satisfied by more than 2 values of x then lambda equal. Okay, this is quadratic in the variable x. Actual number of roots is 2, but given that number of roots of this one is more than 3, that one means this is identity. Identity means each coefficient to 0. Coefficient of x square 0, coefficient of x equal to 0, and a constant term 0. This one implies lambda equal to 2, 3. This one implies lambda equal to 1, 2. This one implies lambda equal to plus or minus 2. And therefore, మొత్తం అన్ని కౌంట్ చేస్తారు. Like మనకి this is quadratic identity if and only if each Coefficient of x square 0 and coefficient of x 0 and constant term 0. So what are the common values? Only 1, 2, 2 and 2. Therefore, number of values of lambda is only 1, that is 2. In next class, location of roots, important concept. Advanced key, mains key, ఎక్కువ repeat అయ్యే problem. Next class discuss.